We're out here backpacking in Santa Barbara County, hoping to find some horned lizards, and this is going to be a great trip. We'll see what we find. I just found this coast horned lizard. He's a pretty cool guy. Got a cool underside. They only eat ants, they mostly eat ants, and they can also squirt blood from their eyes if they have like a canine threat, which is pretty cool. He has a cool looking belly.
You find one of the poops?
Looks like a male. Super cool lizard. We're here at the campsite backpacking, and I just caught this big blue belly. He's trying to bite me. Western fence lizard. Oh, he's feisty. He's feisty. But not our target species. We're looking for more horned lizards, so hopefully we find them. But look at this beautiful blue belly. It's a big male. I'm going to release him over here where I found him. Alright. Alright guys, so I'm at the campsite again. And we just caught a side blotch lizard. These guys are pretty cool, colorful, and they're kind of underrated in my opinion. It's male, but they have a whole system. So there's like dominant males, semi-dominant, and then there's the sneak breeder males. And the sneak breeders try to look like females and then breed. So he has the blue throat, which means and a bulge, which means he's a sneak breeder. But he's pretty cool, and another lizard that we found. Alright, so I just found this pool, and there's some tadpoles, if you can see it right there. Oh, right there. There's one right here. In here, in this little pool. Here, I'll try to show you guys better. Here, I'm going to try to catch one. Oh, I've almost got one. Alright. I don't know what type of tadpoles these are. They could be a lot of stuff. I think they might be arroyo toad tadpoles. But I'm not great with my tadpole identification skills. Okay. Right here. I don't know if you guys can see through the glint of the water. But there's one. They're pretty cool. I don't know how well you guys can see them. But those could be arroyo toads, catavarina. I don't think they're western toads. It'd be really cool if they were arroyo toads, but I'm not quite sure. But they're in this like nice little creek out here in Santa Barbara County, backpacking. Alright, we just found another horned lizard. It's a little tiny baby. These guys are my favorite, the little babies. My dad just caught him. He's tiny. That's my thumb he's holding on to. And these are like some of my favorite lizards. Always a little feisty. He's a little bit feisty. But, these are awesome. And I hope we find some more. These are our target species here. Oops. Look at him. He's in this bush. Oh. I want to show you guys how they blend into the environment. Alright, I got him.
You let him go?
Accidentally.
You want me to take a picture of him with you?
Yeah. So look, that against that, you'll never find them. Alright, so we just got another horned lizard my dad just spotted and caught. And it actually did its defense mechanism where it squirts blood from its eyes, which is pretty cool. It's a nice big one. It's a nice big coast horned lizard, like we've been finding. Hopefully we find more. It's our third one of the trip, and hopefully many more. It's on video. Alright, we just caught another horned lizard. He's got some really nice reds on him. And he's a male, obviously. And then he's got a really grumpy face. He's really cool. This is our fourth one of the trip that we've got in hand. A couple got away from us. He was way back in that bush. He butchered my legs trying to get to him. but he is awesome. He's got a cool tummy, and these reds are just amazing. Hopefully we find some more. We've got a nice in situ side blotch right here. Oh, he's running. Oh, oh. He's gone. I don't know how well you guys saw that, but a little side blotch. They're pretty cool and colorful lizards. They're pretty underrated in my opinion because they're really pretty, but they're just as common as fence lizards, like the fence lizard sitting on that rock. Oh my god, you can barely see it, bro. Nice. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. There's some beautiful flowers out here in Yucca. These things are awesome. We were just looking for some horn lizards, just like these beautiful purple and yellows. These turn pink when they actually bloom. There's ceanothus and everything. These yuccas. The plant life and diversity here is just crazy. We found this horn lizard in Santa Barbara County. She was actually gravid. We palpated her stomach, and there was a few eggs in there, which is a pretty cool observation. She was also a very pretty horn lizard. Just caught another horn lizard here in Santa Barbara County. They're everywhere. And this guy has a little orange belly. It's a little small male trying to bite us, but another cool one.